your beautiful face, my dear, while tears flow from my eyes as I cry. Come home to me, I long for you. Come home to me, I love you. Perhaps the time will come again, even if it takes a long while, when I